King parrots are the only Australian parrot with a completely red head. The females have a green head. They are fairly common and fairly large parrot. Green tree frogs are one of the most common frogs in Australia. Most are completely green, but some can be blue or yellow. The goanna is the largest lizard in Australia. It is fairly common around urban areas. There are about 20 species of goanna. The goanna was an important part of Aboriginal diets. The saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile in the world. It can grow to 18 feet. It feeds on fish, cattle, and occasionally humans. Thank you for watching this educational video created in KnowledgePresenter. Bye bye.